Hey lovers! Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on loose beachy waves. This is what it looks like completed. I went for a looser wave today. This technique that I'm going to show you is so awesome. It's so simple and it's very unique and it is quick. So if you are interested in this look, then just keep on watching. There are a few items that you are going to need for this tutorial, and that is a flat iron, some hairspray, a teasing comb, and some rubber bands. So let's get started. So the first thing that we're going to do is we're going to split our hair into two sections, like down the middle. So like that. I have very thick hair, so I'm going to do 2 braids per side, but if you have finer hair, you could combine it into 1 braid. You do want to braid it, and then when you twist it, make sure you twist it away from your face. So we're just going to do a basic braid. Okay, so the first braid is done. I'm just going to quickly spray it. And I'm going to do the same thing with this section. Now that we have our 2 braids on this side, we're going to go ahead and do the same thing on this side. So this is what it should look like. Next, you're going to need your flat iron. What we're going to do is we're going to take each braid and twist it away from your face. Then you want to grab your flat iron and just go over it. You want to avoid the hair tie because that'll crease it. Now that we went ahead and did the flat ironing, we're going to take them out. I left them cool for about 5 minutes. So this is what it looks like. I am going to take my teasing comb and I'm just going to tease a little bit at the root. So this is the final look. So I think that this is an easy and awesome technique to how to get loose beachy waves. So I hope that you guys enjoyed this look. Have a great day. Bye.